It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home and Your Life. Let's get it. Hey, what's up, design stylistas? It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to an extra special episode of Meet the House. If you are new to my channel, hey, hit that subscribe button. You know you don't want to miss a single episode. I'd love to have you become a part of my Design Stylistas tribe. In this episode, I am taking you on a tour of a New York luxury kitchen. Brooklyn's in the house. This kitchen was designed by one of my dearest friends, a brilliant real estate agent in the luxury real estate market in New York. And she's an actress and a writer. She's dope. She's dope. Y'all know my philosophy. Do you, boo? No matter the trend, no matter the budget, find a way to design your home with your personality, your style, and a little touch of class. Kitchens are the heart of the home. And I can tell you this. My sister girl has taken her kitchen from, let's just say it was a little bit frumpy, to downright fabulous. What's up, everybody? So I am in Brooklyn with one of my favorite sister girls, real estate extraordinaire Nichole Thompson Adams, and she just shared with me that her favorite part of this spectacular renovation are the pendant lights. I love them too. Tell me what y'all think. This is dope-nificent on steroids. This kitchen reno has been undertaken in an 1899 federal-style townhouse in the Clinton Hill area of Brooklyn. Clearly, this is a luxury kitchen remodel, but this homeowner found a way to add that DIY touch, that personality, that energy, that personal vibration that really changes the whole vibe in the space. She took a basic IKEA cabinet and she redesigned it. She added those legs, personalizing the piece. She also added this wrap-around roll board on the side and then had this custom piece of quartzite because she had a big slab. And so she really created a custom on a budget piece, and that piece is going to serve as her bar area in this renovated kitchen. Another one of those wonderful DIY moments in this space is this gold leaf mirror that she's tucked into this nook. What do we always say here on my channel? Repurpose. You can get a custom look by using your imagination, creativity, repurposing something. Look at the lights. Yes. Ideas, inspiration. Love it. And another nod to the period of the home here is the egg and dark crown molding. It's just luscious. I can't get really as close as I would like to so you can see the detail there. Let me know if you can see the detail of that. It's just stunning. It wraps around the entire space. Yes. Come on, counter. Yes, marble. Waterfall edge to this gorgeous fluidity of this quartzite countertop, y'all. You know, she had to make it sparkle, give this a functionality, and yet the beauty of that marble structure. Don't you just see that lushness? Make you want to run your hand across it and do some cooking, or just, hey, profiling like I do cook. Let's look at that backsplash. She ran it up, wrapped this quartzite from the counter up the backsplash. Isn't it fabulous? I love that she made this dramatic moment here. With all that energy of that veining and that quartzite, it really makes it look special. Look at these cabinets, like floor to ceiling. This was a complete gut renovation. What I love here is she repurposed that fabulous stove and cooktop. She repurposed her Fisher and Patel refrigerator. I love it. Love a freezer at the bottom situation, so I love this. But it looks actually brand new in this renovation. The magic of the underlight. Sometimes it pays to pay a little more and go the extra mile. Now, if you can't have it built in, hardwired with electricity, there are all types of tips and tricks They have the underlights that are rechargeable. You can just get those at Home Depot or Lowe's or anything. You could be living in an apartment and you can make this kind of sparkle spectacular moment so that if you have a party or something and you want some ambiance, you just have those little underlights on. Come on, y'all. Y'all know how we do custom on a budget. The organization is my whole stilo. I love this part. Lots of space for cutlery and whatnots one has when you are cooking. Love this storage. Drawers are just phenomenal because you can see everything. And then the pull-outs. Good usage of the storage on the side of the stove. So these roll-out, pull-outs are phenomenal. And again, we have more drawer storage here. Look at the spices. Spices. One of my favorite things. Pull-out drawer for spices. So if you love to cook, you would love to cook in this kitchen. They have all of your pots and pans and everything here as well. Wonderful usage of space in this gut renovation. I am ready to do some other guest house features here on Meet the House. If you feel like your home has got the goods, shoot me a message. I'd love to showcase you here on the channel. Another thing that I really love is she didn't waste any space. Look at how slender this is, y'all. She said, no. We're using all the space. You know how sometimes the contractor's like, oh, we'll just do a filler pad here. That's dead space. She said, we're using every inch. Even managed to tuck in this really nice, gotta have a spot to put your brooms and dust mops and things like that. Just outstanding. She's going to actually cover these with the frosted film so you can't see through. For now, we see a little bit of her clutter, but that's all going to be changed. So she's about 95% finished with this renovation. So this home has the accordion style patio doors that will open out onto this elevated patio out here for entertaining. Come on, patio. That's what I'm talking about. No, I know I'm not alone. Don't you love it? Now let's look at this island. Let's talk about this island. So this island has this slim fit footprint. Plus, it's a wonderful setup for gatherings, parties, holidays, right? You have this serving as like your buffet, all your spread to set everything up here. I love that it creates that wonderful triangle workspace, stove, sink, refrigerator, boom. You're not taking more than 2, maybe 3 steps to accomplish any activity. But this is a beautiful usage of this space. This sink embedded in this center aisle is just ingenious. It has this Delta faucet, which I love the brand. Delta. I think this is a Delta brand faucet, but I love it in this burnished brass here. It's just gorgeous, and it just really complements that DIY gold leaf mirror that she did. Also, the accent on the bistro overhead lights and the sconces. It just wraps everything together and makes it work so well. It's not 100% a shoes off house, but oh, those floors are so gorgeous. We might just take our shoes off. Even a luxury budget can use a touch of custom on a budget. Authentic white oak floors were out of the budget. Instead, she did a ton of research, found this product, and had her contractor use it to change the golden oak to the white oak look. That's the custom on a budget way. All right, everyone, this is the view. Oh my God, it feels so lovely. It is chilly here today, but gosh, can you just imagine this space on a warm spring day, a sunny afternoon, opening this up in this gorgeous open concept renovation, having those foldable doors for that outdoor-indoor living. The deck is still being finished, but I'll just come over here and show you all the progress on it. I can't wait to come back up here to Brooklyn for parties. Oh my goodness, look at that patio. I told y'all, she's dope. Dope, real estate agent, actress, writer, and she got that designer eye. Come on now, that's how we be rocking and rolling. Thank you, Nichole, for letting me showcase your gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous home, your homestead here on Meet the House. potential. Join me for every episode as I show you how to unlock the potential and transform any room in your home. As always, y'all, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you let me know, what other videos do you want to see? What do you want to learn? I want to support you all the way live, full stop. So let me know, drop a comment below. And you know what? I'll see you in the next video.